Hi students, I am here with the solution for the second problem from the exercise 13.3 NCERT 12th standard mathematics. A bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Find the probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag. How much time do you need to solve this problem? You can solve this in seconds just by representing this problem diagrammatically. View this problem diagrammatically. Visualize this problem. Then you can solve it in seconds. Let us try to do that. Before that, let us analyze the problem once again. We have two bags which contains a different combination of balls. The first bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls, and second bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. So let us draw the diagram. This is the sample space which initially contains 2 bags, right? And first we have to make choice among these 2 bags, right? E1, let us name this as E1 and E2, where E1 represents event of choosing bag 1 and E2 represents event of choosing bag 2. So here in the sample space we have only 2 possibilities of outcomes. We can either choose bag 1 or we can choose the bag 2. So the probability of E1 is in one way we have one bag and we have to choose one bag among the 2 bags. So P of E1 is 1 by 2 and P of E2 is we have 1 second bag and there are 2 bags, so the P of E2 is 1 by 2. Now bag 1 contains 4 red and 4 black balls and bag 2 contains 2 red and 6 black balls. We have to select one of the 2 bags and we have to draw a ball from the bag. Then the ball is found to be red. So we will choose the event A of choosing a red ball, since the bag 1 also contains red ball and bag 2 also contains red balls. Event A is an overlapping event between E1 and E2, where A1 is the event of choosing a red ball. We have to find the probability that the ball is drawn from bag 1 given that the chosen ball is a red colored ball. The chosen ball is a red ball. The event of drawing a ball from the bag 1, we taken it as the event E1 and choosing a black ball is denoted by the event A and we have the condition given. So it is a conditional probability that represents E1 given A. So we have to find P of E1 given A. Easily with the help of the Bayes theorem, this can be written as P of E1 into P of A given E1 all divided by P of E1 into P of A given E1 plus P of E2 into P of A given E2. Now we know what is P of E1 and P of E2, but we don't know what is P of A given E1 and P of A given E2, and there is no other statement supporting this. Let us find them out. What is P of A given E1? Probability of choosing a red ball from the bag 1. That is the number of red balls in bag 1 divided by Total number of balls in bag 1. Bag 1 has 4 red balls and the total number of balls is 8, so it is 4 by 8. Similarly, P of A given E2 is number of red balls in bag 2 divided by total number of balls in bag 2. Bag 2 contains 2 red balls and there are 8 number of balls in the second bag. So P of A given E2 is 2 by 8. Now substitute all these values in this equation. P of E1 is 1 by 2 into P of A given E1 is 4 by 8 divided by 1 by 2 into 4 by 8 plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 8, that is equal to 4. We have 8 into 2 in both numerator and denominator. They will get cancelled out, so it is 4 plus 2 which is equal to 4 by 6. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 2 by 3. This is the required probability, that is the probability that the ball is drawn from bag 1 when we know that we had already chosen a red ball. You just need this diagram to find the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching.